Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation of our Diagrams 2020 contribution Influence of Shape, Density and Edge Crossings on the Perception of Graph Differences, an investigation on the time constraints. This work was motivated by the observation that in many real-world applications, node-link diagrams have to be compared to each other. Better understanding which factors facilitate or impede the recognition of differences can thus be very valuable for creating layered algorithms and visualizations which assist with this task. To contribute to this line of research, we conducted a study to explore how changes in shape, that is in the silhouette of the graph, edge crossings and local density affect the recognition of edit nodes and edges under time constraints. Secondly, we explored if these factors also influence the order in which the differences are perceived. For that purpose, we created 16 graph pairs built by modifying 4 base graphs, shown here by adding up to 4 edges and nodes. These graphs differed in terms of size, ranging from about 40 to 100 nodes, and in terms of structure. Each change was categorized based on the aforementioned 3 factors. First, does the change alter the shape, that is the silhouette of the graph? If not, meaning that the change was inside the graph, then it was further categorized based on the density of the surrounding and if it introduces an edge crossing or not. These graph pairs were then used in an online survey where the graph pairs were shown in pseudo-randomized order. The modified graph was shown on the top and the original base graph at the bottom. Participants were then tasked to mark the differences in the upper graph by dragging markers to the respective locations. For each graph pair, a 1-minute time limit was imposed. In total, we collected data from 40 participants on which the following results are based. In terms of our first research question, that is whether the 3 factors influence the perception of differences, our results suggest that shape had no statistically significant effect. Density affected the recognition in the sense that differences were easier to spot in areas of lower density. If a change introduced a new edge crossing, then this also helped to recognize a difference. In terms of our second research question, that is, if these factors influenced how early a change was perceived, results varied depending on the number of changes made to the graph. For further details, please check out our paper. Thank you.